In this video, I'll show you how to update an invoice using Zoho CRM in n8n, step by step, if you're building automations and need to keep invoice data updated inside your workflow. This is a simple process that can save you a lot of time, and if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. This is the workflow where you want the invoice update to happen, so make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Once the workflow is open, take a look at the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new actions to your automation. From the Nodes panel, search for and choose Zoho CRM. n8n will then show you the available Zoho CRM actions you can use in the workflow. Select the option for updating an invoice. This is the action that allows you to modify invoice information already stored in Zoho CRM. After selecting Update an Invoice, the next step is to configure what you want to update. Depending on your workflow, this might include invoice details such as fields, values, or any other information you want to change. Go through the settings carefully and enter the data you want to send into Zoho CRM. Make sure the values are mapped correctly from the previous nodes in your workflow if needed. This is important because n8n will use those values to update the right invoice with the right information. Once everything is configured, your node is ready to be used in the automation, and that's it. You've now added the Zoho CRM update and invoice action inside n8n and configured it to update the invoice information you need. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more n8n and automation tutorials.